Hi, this video is an update to a blog post I had written back in April, how to export your Kindle highlights to Roam or Notion or Evernote or whichever note-taking system you use for free. And there are a number of paid options available out there, but I wanted to try out a system that works for free, and I documented like a step-by-step approach here. But I recently noticed that in the Kindle for PC app, Amazon has introduced a new export option, which is even simpler than the process I had documented back in April. So I wanted to walk you through how you can use this to export your notes, and maybe we can also go through the process I was using previously, because it still gives you more flexibility on what kind of formatting you need. So to export your notes, right, now you can see this show notebook, hide notebook option within Kindle. And if I go to export, I can save this as an HTML file. Right, so I'm gonna save it under Kindle highlights and overwrite this file. Okay, so now let's go and see what this file looks like. So this is what it outputs. Right, you see this highlight yellow, page 3, location 153. What's annoying about this is like this repeated highlight yellow that shows up many times. I don't want to see this in my notes, right? Hundreds of occurrences of this highlight yellow. So what I'm gonna do is open this file in Notepad or any text formatting system that you use. So here what we see, right, is this highlight yellow, which is being repeated, which we saw in the Word document. So what I want to do is do a Control H or Command H on Mac, and that will open a replace window. Right, so I'm going to replace this whole thing and all occurrences of that with a blank. Right, so as soon as I do that and I save this file and I reload let me open the HTML file again, and we can see now, right, all the highlight yellows are gone, which were there previously. So now I can copy paste this whole thing over to my note, right? The benefit here we get is the location is available as well. Let me open my ROM. This is what I had with my previous version of formatting, and I can now add, let's say, Kindle highlights new, and you paste the whole thing. The additional benefit you get here is the chapter names, right? So your highlights not just are organized not just by page number, but by chapter. You need to do a little more work here to indent everything by the chapter. But I think that is useful because it helps finding the highlights later by topic. So that's it. Like, that's a quick video on how you can now even more easily export your Kindle highlights to ROM. And I'll also create another short video walks you through this process. And so if you need some additional formatting with your page numbers, or you don't want the location number and so on, or you want the page number and the comment on the same line, not on different lines as you're seeing here, so I'll cover that in my other video. Thank you.